Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to use HubSpot to build a powerful content marketing strategy in 2026. Whether your goal is to generate leads, increase website traffic, or grow your brand, HubSpot has all the tools you need. Let's explore step by step. First, define your content marketing goals. Decide if you want more website traffic, qualified leads, or higher engagement on social media. HubSpot's goals and analytics tools help you track your progress. Next, understand your audience. Create detailed buyer personas with HubSpot, including demographics, pain points, and content preferences. Use contact insights to see what content your audience engages with the most. Then, audit your existing content. Analyze which blogs, videos, and social posts perform best. Identify gaps where new content can meet your audience's needs. Perform keyword and topic research. HubSpot SEO tools help you find relevant keywords and topics. Map them to blogs, guides, or landing pages to stay organized. Plan your content calendar. Schedule blogs, emails, and social media posts with HubSpot Marketing Hub. Align content with the buyer journey, awareness, consideration, and decision stages. Create high-quality content. Use HubSpot's blog tool, landing pages, email campaigns, and social tools to produce and distribute content. Always include clear calls to action to convert readers into leads. Optimize for SEO. Follow HubSpot's recommendations, add meta titles, descriptions, and alt text, and structure content around topic clusters for better search visibility. Promote your content. Use emails, social posts, paid campaigns, and CTAs to reach your audience effectively. Analyze performance regularly. Track views, engagement, leads, and conversions. Use insights to improve your strategy. Automate workflows, set up drip campaigns, trigger content delivery based on behavior, and score leads automatically. Continuously improve. A/B test headlines, repurpose content, update SEO, and keep refining your strategy to stay relevant. By following these steps, you can create a successful HubSpot content marketing strategy in 2026. Start today, track results, and watch your content grow your business. Hello, everyone.